Hello guys, welcome back to Conversation Art Piece. My name is Alana. In today's video, we will be doing an unboxing of my very first stickers. Let's dive into the unboxing.
Like and subscribe.
The moment I realized I cut right through the thank you note. The app that I use to create these stickers are called Sticker App. So apparently, my guess is that each month they collab with a different sticker creator. So they come up with these awesome, dope creation of stickers. I absolutely love these stickers and I'm going to put them every single where that I can possibly put them. So contrast Ashley. Okay, so I almost cut my stickers. All right, guys, this was the moment that I realized that I completely made this too small. But however, I'm going to get bigger size. These are vinyl stickers. Oh my gosh. Wow. Definitely going to get these in bigger size next time. Look at that. That is so awesome. Oh my word. That is so cool. Wow. This is awesome. Oh my gosh, I did it. I did it. The coloring is not that far off from the actual painting. Yep. The hair might be a tad bit brighter, but I did that intentionally because I wanted to make sure that the colors were popping. It was vibrant. I'm gonna put the link down below where you guys can go and snag you a sticker. All right, guys, let's check out the quality of these vinyl stickers. I am self-centered in Christ. Wow, that actually has pretty darn good sticky stick. Wow, check this out. That is so cool. So if you're a big fan of stickers like I am, let me tell you a little story. Back when I was a teenager, I used to have stickers all over my bedpost. Now, who can relate with that one? I knew it drive my mother absolutely crazy because this woman, she loves to have everything in its place. And if anything is kind of messing that up, you are going to be in trouble. Now that I'm an adult, stickers array all over the place. To purchase these stickers so you can have them on your computer, your walls, your bedpost, your car, or whatever you want to apply them, you can simply check down below in the description box where you will find the link. Thank you guys so much for your love and support. Please do enjoy the rest of your day. Peace and love. Your girl Alana out.